Welcome to Logical Heroes. I'm Mitch, aka Rolbakis.
I'm Trevor.
Smack yourself into focus there.
It's game time.
Today we got Chainsaw Man episode 3 season 1 so far. I'm fucking loving this show.
Dude, I love it.
All right.
Seriously.
And also we have this fucker's face back. He's missed the first two, and we finally got him back now. So you'll be watching Chainsaw Man with us. We'll get into a little recap of last week's episode, but before we do, if you want to drop a like and subscribe down below, it'd be greatly appreciated. Bringing you Chainsaw Man every Tuesday. We also got Discord, Twitter, Instagram in the links below. Patreon is there for you if you want to support us. You can do unedited watch-alongs with us, and you get the videos a day before or a couple days before the video is out on YouTube, other than Chainsaw Man, because sadly it comes out on the day of, and we can't really do anything about that. So, Trevor, want to do a little recap of last episode?
Yeah, so I learned that Denji's real motivation is boobs.
Yeah.
He's really into boobs. At one point, he just shut it off. He's like, I'm never going to be able to get boobs. But now he's in a scenario where his life's changed, and he's like, it's possible. He wants his fucking boss's boobs. What's her name?
Makima, yeah.
Yeah, I want to like learn a lot more about her because she's nice, but like I think it's like a way to like be like because she sees his weakness. He likes boobs. I'm hot, but she's fucking evil as fuck. That's what I think. And then I'm loving everyone else, but yeah, it kind of ended where he got a partner, Denji, like after meeting like more people, but he got a partner named Power, and she's a fiend. So she's a
crazy bitch.
She's a dead body that a demon took control of.
Yeah.
But this demon is kind of like not too crazy. Like they have control over her. But I think it's because Makima is like, got control of her, and this devil is terrified of her, right?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, it ended with them. I forget what the demon was called that her and Denji were fighting, but I'm pretty sure I just watched it. I think it was like cucumber devil or something. It was some type of food. That's all I know. And she just smelt blood, and she went and jumped off, and her power so far was she had blood come out of her wrist, and it turned into a giant hammer, and she just smashed that thing in one hit. So yeah, I don't know, it was more of like a world like setting up episode, and kind of seeing his new situation. It's better, but he's still a dog and controlled completely. And they don't really have respect for him in a sense.
You know what Makima reminds me of? What's the girl's name? The chick from Suicide Squad that kind of runs the whole thing?
Oh, fuck.
She reminds me of her. Like, she like just has everyone under her finger, and she can be nice, but if you don't fucking do what she wants, you die. You know what I mean?
I don't know why I can't forget. You put me on the spot.
I can't remember either, but that's who it reminds me of. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this episode I don't know if we're good. I think it seems like we're going right into from last episode. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get into it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Splattered all over the ground. No big deal.
Everything looks normal except for that.
But it's like a normal thing too. Like people just walk by it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yup. She's covered in the guts.
Yeah.
Oh shit, she's a blood demon.
Blood? Wow.
Oh fuck. What?
What? That's how scared she is. She's fucking ratting. Or lying.
Oh my god. Dude, screw that.
Fake ass lie.
I'd be out, man. Imagine being partnered to this.
Eat it. She's gonna eat it.
No, she's not.
ジュース飲めるなんてよ、俺にとっちゃ夢みたいなことだぞ。だけどこのままヘマジュース飲めなくなるどころの話じゃねえぞ。だから
Oh, thank God.
The opposite.
できねえけどな。
人間は嫌いじゃん。
Okay.
人間がわしに何かしたからではない。悪魔の本能みたいなもんで嫌いなんじゃ。
She can't help it.
悪魔も嫌いじゃん。悪魔がわしの飼ってたニャーコを連れ去ったからな。
Meowy.
ニャーコを取り戻す前にわしはマキマに捕まってしまった。もう殺されてるかもしれんが諦めきれん。わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら人間の味方でも何でもしてやる。
Getting to feel for her now, too.
猫ごときにとうぬには分からぬ感情じゃろうがな。
エコ
Oh my
人間
God.
とは分かり合えぬの。
He's just.
He's so open.
でも犬だったらまだわかるかもな。
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
What? Is that their deal?
悪魔が猫をよ、さらうなんてよ。
Oh shit! Yeah, he's motivated. Let's go.
That's what gets him going?
デビルハンターとして許せねえ。そんな
Oh
悪魔
my
Like
God.
俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
I can see a big fucking fight scene coming soon.
魔人パワーの外出を許可します。17時までには戻ってくるように。
一人じゃ外出もできねえのか。
Wow.
おお、ずっとここの中で退屈しとったわ。
That
Just a
sucks,
sign
but
out.
kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
Especially if she's that like hungry for blood. I love how she just has like little cute demon horns.
They're not noticeable or anything.
She could just wear a hat though.
Fair.
ニャーコを盾にされちゃうからね。そうなった。
Doesn't even focus on what she's saying.
俺もポチタっつう悪魔飼っててさ、もう撫でることはできねえんだけ
Because he's in ya.
ど、俺のここで生きてるからな。
人間は愚かじゃな。
Look at her. Oh my god, she's creepy, man.
Mm,
I feel like I'd fall for the trap too, though.
In his position, yeah, it makes sense.
I'd be like, wow, she's so nice, and then the next day I'd be like, wait, did she call me a dog now? Okay.
Is that a leash or?
I like him too. I want to see more of him. He's got a long name. I forget his name.
just call him Aki.
Aki?
Aki, A-K-I.
その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。
Hmm.
コーヒーは怖いイメージは全く
Is there a coffee devil?
コーヒーの悪魔がいたら怖いだろう。
See, this is what I was telling you before.
Yeah, okay.
悪魔がいたらどうだろう。タイヤに引かれて死ぬイメージがあるから強いかも。
That's interesting.
チェンソーの悪魔になれる。
So is there a fire devil? A lot of people.
白い
Yeah,
と
like
思うけど
everything.
な。
Clown devil? Oh my god.
Fuck that.
使えないやつですよ。公安は目標や信念がある者だけしかいない。でもあいつはダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っていました。
And boobs.
公安には
I think that's at the top of the list.
Yeah.
それに悪魔と仲良くなれると思ってる。まだガキなんですよ。ガキ。
They're
But he
gonna
hasn't
become
had
best
nothing else,
friends.
bro. He's literally went from my father's dead to hey, you owe us money from your father. Work for us, kid. And now he has a demon living in him. Can someone like
Yes.
teach him some shit, please?
そこの家じゃ。あそこにニャーコと悪魔がいる。
What's going on?
Whoa.
Why'd she do that?
バカじゃが。勘は良かったな。
What the fuck?
Why is she trying to kill him?
What the hell?
Is she gonna use him as bait or something? I'm so
Jesus
lost. That's some
Christ.
creepy ass shit. She just technically killed him and brought him in.
Oh my god, she's working with him.
逃げたのかと思ったぞ。
文句を言うな。わしもやっと外に出られたんじゃ。望み通り人間を連れてきたぞ。コウモリ。
Whoa.
You say
He's not a human though.
久しぶりの食事。
she said bat. That's a bat demon.
精力の出る血を飲めそうだ
Dude.
な。
Batman's greatest fear.
What
Whoa.
the hell?
腕の傷を見ろ人間。貴様らにつけられた傷。この私を隠れざるを得なくさせた忌々しい傷だ。
Holy
Dude,
shit.
pull the string on your chest.
吠えるな。
Let's go.
人に刻まれた傷。人間の血で嫌ざ。
He can't pull his cord. Whoa.
Oh. Is he gonna taste that he's not tasting? Yeah, see? He's got devil in him.
It still worked though, I guess. Oh
He
shit.
is part human.
中が気持ち悪い。他の人間で口直しをしなければ。
Is she... I'm so confused on what the hell she...
Yeah, I don't know.
悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか。
Oh, fuck.
Kill this bitch. I don't like her anymore.
足を信用できたもんじゃな。やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
Oh, it's still... Wait.
ニャコ。
私にまずい血を持って
Eat it.
罰がまだだ。
Oh!
Oh, shit.
ニャーコ。
That's what you get.
犬の名はニャーコじゃ。猫。
What the
Whoa, that's a
fuck?
bear. That's a bear she just fucking murdered. It's a giant bear.
広いなりじゃのう。
Ew.
もう少し太らせてから食ってやるか。
Oh, she was gonna eat it? But then I guess
Seems
she
like it.
started to...
早く大きくなれ。ニャーコを殺すのが楽しみじゃな。
That's so fucked. Oh, shit.
血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ人間を
What an asshole.
Is she gonna go crazy now?
What a piece... Everyone's a piece of shit. Jesus Christ.
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。ムネの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
What is it?
Whoa. Okay.
Oh my god.
Well, yeah, she's a full-on devil, pretty much.
I have a funny
Oh,
feeling this thing's about
he's
to
gonna
die.
fly.
気持ち悪いぞ。子供の血でうがいをしなければ。
Oh my god, he said children twice now. Holy shit.
うがいをした後は前妻に生娘だ。
All right.
メインは肉好きのいい男。
A beefy man.
妊婦がいい。
A pregnant woman? What the hell? Leave, that's too desperate. Whoa, he's on. Denji, let's go.
You might...
Oh god.
That was good. Yo.
Holy shit, dude.
ポチタがいなくなった
Pull
時
it.
が
He's got it.
Oh shit, he does!
朝起きたらポチタはいなくて街中を探
Oh,
し
buddy, you about to lose that arm.
Dude, this is gonna
悪
be
魔
cool.
に食わ
Don't
れちまっ
end.
た
How
って
much
思っ
time's
たけ
left?
ど家に帰ると
It's about to end
ポチタ
now.
は泣きながら俺を待っていた
Come on, show me something.
ほっとしてそのまま一緒に寝たのを覚えてる
Pull the
あ
cord!
いつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われてどんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう
Ayo!
Oh shit. Let's go.
Try to fly
Yeah,
now.
that's why his blood tastes like shit, boy. Let's go.
Why do I feel something bad's gonna happen here?
Is the body gonna like fall?
Yup.
Yeah. Holy shit.
At least you got out of there beforehand.
The music.
Oh, he is
Holy
so
shit,
cool,
that's a
man.
creepy sight.
The hero
Hey,
we always
dumbass.
needed.
悪魔のくせに何がしたいんだ
Chop his ass into
て
bits.
めえが腹裂いて胸もむんだよ
Whoa. Whoa, he's strong too.
Holy shit.
Bro,
He is
this is sick.
huge.
Slice and dice, baby.
Aye!
Yeah, he is giant. Oh, that's cool animation. Oh, his
Run.
neck. I love it. Look at him being a little hero.
Jeez, he is strong as hell, eh?
Right? I like that.
人間を逃がすようなやつに
Oh boy.
俺は切れるか
Oh, yeah, dude. He caught that shit. Cool.
体にそぐわぬ怪力その力でなぜ人間を助ける
誰が助けたって野郎の
Is he gonna throw it back?
Oh!
But he chucked that shit. Oh. Oh, his face on fire.
What the f-
Ew. Ew. That looks like my dog's penis sometimes. Oh.
What the hell was that?
Bro, this anime is wild. I think I want to buy the books.
Can a bat do that?
I have no idea. I think that's new,
ま
Mitch.
ずは回復だタバコ臭い血だが今は許そう
Okay, you're just picky now. Cigarettes.
I love hearing the sound of the chainsaw when you can't see him.
散々な
Oh, yeah, it is
目ば
pretty
っかあって
intimidating.
よ
Whoa.
しかしてねえのに
Dude.
まだ人混みも
Oh, he just shoots him out like he's Wolverine. He's still talking about the
Dude.
tits. I must feel a pair of tits. I don't think we've seen an anime yet with that kind of motivation.
No.
It's always been my mother's dead, this is dead.
Dude, he just cut through rock.
I love this. Oh, go all the way along the arm, yes! Holy shit.
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh, this looks sick. Oh, the shining in the light.
Dude! Oh, he's fucking dead.
Is Power gonna pop out or is she dead?
I have no idea. Look at the amount of...
Power might come out. Whoa. Oh, okay. Badass.
Holy shit. What do you think of that?
I thought it was awesome. Like, I really liked it.
I didn't expect to be the bat. Like, when I heard, oh, it's a bat, like, devil, I'm like, oh, that's going to be a pretty easy one to catch. And
I was like, that's a weird name. Bat.
Right?
And then you're like, oh, it's an actual bat,
Yeah.
Trevor. I'm like, oh, fuck. Okay.
it's so literal, right? That whole rule where it's like, if there is a fear, that's the devil, and it creates
I'm
that
trying
devil.
to think what I'm, like, scared of that would be I don't... Like, I'm scared of shit, but not, like, anything that I couldn't really think of. Like, I don't
Penises.
know. Penis devil. Just trying to fuck you. Like, no!
No, you have the same thing as, like, Chainsaw Man. His arms and it'd come out his...
But
No.
there's so much... Like, it's such a cool concept because they can do anything.
Yeah.
People are scared of, like, the most ridiculous things, and then it just means they're less powerful if there's, like, less people afraid of that thing. So, yeah, like a fucking car accident or, like, fire...
Yeah.
Or like water. People are terrified of water. There could be a water devil. There could be so much cool, and the shit, their powers and what they could do could just be so creative. I don't know. I'm loving this.
Yeah, they have so much freedom, right? That's the thing with the
Yeah.
show. Like, that's the thing that I think I fell in love with at the first episode. The amount of freedom you can see in the show where it just really seems like they're able to do whatever they want and create things, and they're not afraid to literally make his motivation, like you were saying, like his motivation is to touch a boob, and they're okay with creating a
They're
whole
doing
story
it in
around
such
that.
a cool way, and
Yeah.
like, yeah, where you're like, I get his motivation, which is wild
And it
because
works.
he says it like 10 times every time he's like mad or he's like, hey, like when he's chasing after Power because she just got eaten. He's
Yeah.
like, bring me back my boobs. Like, I love this. It's
100%,
funny,
man.
it's dark, scary. The powers, the animation are really well done and interesting. I don't know. It just seems like a really fun ride.
You think you're gonna get into the manga for this?
I think I might. It's just
I have
so
a rule
out there.
for it. I have a rule for it for myself. I have to watch it on TV first before I read the manga.
Yeah, I think that's what
Just
I'm
for
gonna do.
reaction purposes, I think it's.
But I
just
would
makes
like to
sense.
have that as like a collection, and then
Oh,
I could
yeah,
read it once in
100%.
a while. So I think down the line that's something I'm gonna do. But
Because this was like everyone was saying before this show came out, like the manga is fucking phenomenal, and I think this is like the
Yeah.
biggest anime for the fall, right?
yeah,
Whenever
that's
it's
why I
released.
didn't realize that's why it was so popular. I thought people were like, they're like, oh, the animations be crazy, but then as I like looked into it, they're just like, no, like this actual anime, like the books are crazy, like really popular. So I don't know. I think they're doing well. I'm curious to see what like the people who like the actual books think about it so far. If it's like giving it justice, but I think
Yeah.
it must be because it's pretty well done. I like it.
100%. We're fucking hooked, bro. All right. Before we leave, guys, if you want to drop a like and subscribe down below, it'd be greatly appreciated. We got Twitter, Discord, Instagram, and Patreon links down if you want to join any of those. And until next time, guys, see you
guys.
later.